Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Pretty Things. This is Renee, saying I'm glad you joined me today. I'm going to be taking some items that I purchased at my local thrift shop and taking them from trash to treasure. Now I want to start with these beads, and I love them. They're white, but actually, I think I might want to paint them another color. I'm just going to try it, and they're only $1, so it won't be a great loss if they don't turn out great. And I'm going to be taking this mirror, and I'm going to remove the mirror out of it, and hopefully seeing if I can make a wreath with that. And then I love this tray that I purchased also. I'm not loving the green, so I think we're going to use some white spray paint. Folks, spray paint is my friend. So if it's silver and I want it black to match with my decor, then I just simply spray it. So I'm going to start off with the first thing. We're going to see how the necklace turns out. So if you want to see the outcome, please continue watching. Okay guys, I think my necklace is looking great, and I'll need to flip it over and spray the other side, but I'm happy with that. I think that's gonna look absolutely elegant, paired maybe with a button-up white shirt or a t-shirt. And I'm gonna continue on with my next little project. Again, folks, I love spray paint. You can call me the spray paint queen. You know, we all have to be queen of something, right? There's the queen of soul, the queen of pop. So, hey, I'll be the spray paint queen. Okay, and we're back. Now, I'm going to take my tray and I'm going to spray paint it white and maybe style it and use it maybe in a bathroom vignette collaboration that I hopefully have coming up this summer. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a little white spray paint, and I'm just using Color Place. I had some of this other, but the other spray paint is almost gone. Okay, so this is a fast dry. So let's see what we get. I'm just not loving the green. So I'm going in with this white, and I'm going to change it. I know it's a tray, but I just want to update it a little bit with the white. I kind of like some of the green showing through though. I think I'll just go with a light coating of white there. I'm loving this. I do like a little of the green maybe showing through. So. And I'm stepping on stuff. I'm loving this. I think this is something I can use maybe later on with some of my Christmas vignettes. I think this is going to be a beautiful tray, maybe to place some dishes in. Okay, I'm loving that. All right, guys, I'm loving my necklace and my basket here. I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to work on my wreath next to see what we can do. with this. It was a mirror, and I have some florals, and I have my gloves on because I have paint all over my hands, but I'm going to see if I can make a beautiful wreath with this. I went ahead, I removed the glass, and I had spray painted it earlier off camera like a day or two ago, and I have some florals, and I'm going to see if I can take this and repurpose this. Now, if I didn't mention it, but this is a collaboration with at Penny's Place, and this is a Trash to Treasure collaboration. And she asked us just to take an item and repurpose it. So that's what I'm trying to do with this. And I just wanted to update the necklace and maybe the basket a little bit. Okay, guys, we're going to move on to the wreath. And so I was protecting my hands, or should have been with the gloves, but again, I'm going to take this, that was a mirror, and try to see if I can make a wreath with that. So, of course, I have wire cutters. Let's see what we have in our image. And I have these, they're called lamb ears. Got those from Walmart. And these are some other florals I want to use on the wreath. Yeah, I have some red ones that I purchased from the dollar store. I don't think I'm going to go with those, but, and of course, I have my floral wire. So I'm going to see what I can come up with, guys. So I hope you just stay tuned and keep watching. Now, this is my vision. This is the hook here, so I'm going to be working down here along the bottom. And there was a screw there. I can probably take that screw all the way out. That was holding the mirror in place. You can't see that, but all right, there's the hook I can use to hang it up. But again, this is my vision, an idea where I'm going with this. So I'm going to use my the lamb's ears here, and on each side I'm starting around the center, and I want to keep that as symmetrical as possible. And then I want to go in with some along here, going along the top. I think you kind of get the idea of where I'm going with this. Okay. Okay, I think that's a better image, isn't it? Okay. And then I'm going to have the florals there. And I'm going to wire those in like so. So I'll be taking a picture of this when I'm done and probably uploading it as a thumbnail so you can see, okay, the final result. Okay, folks, you get an idea, okay, of where I'm going with that. I think that's going to be a beautiful wreath. It's going to make a nice little statement piece. Again, I want to thank you for watching my video today, and I'm going to finish this and upload a thumbnail for you. But I want to thank at Penny's Place for hosting this collaboration. Again, this is the Trash to Treasure. Please go over and check out Penny's channel and check out the videos of the other participants. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.